We're going to look at Collectiv's Human Resource Analytics report. This report enables human resource professionals to make better decisions to recruit, manage, and retain employees. This report has 3 pages. That's the summary, performance, and employee pages. Let's begin with the summary page. The summary page is an overview of the human resource analytics. We can see how many employees we have in the company, as well as what the turnover rate looks like. We can break down the employees by country, by gender diversity, by seniority, by employee type, and by hiring type. We can further break it down by the new hires versus leavers by country, as well as by age group. We can have an overview of what the salary has been by employment type, and what the leave ratios are by department. Up here, we have the ticker, which shows you the open positions by department. We can switch this report into the dark mode, and this is what it looks like in the dark mode as we switch to the next page. In the performance page, we can look at the last couple of years' performance. How many employees have been in the company? How many have left? What the average monthly performance was, as well as what the new hires are by discipline. We can break this down further by the cities that the employees are in. Finally, we can look at the employee card, which shows us the information of the employees. Here on the left-hand side, we have a very nice search bar. We can search for an employee, find what their performance has been when they joined, how many leave days they've taken, how many years they have been in the company, as well as what department they're in, who their head of department is, as well as their personal details. This has been a brief overview of Human Resources Analytics by Collectiv. Please contact us for more details at gocollectiv.com.